May chance yata. Mukhang makakasakay. May golay. Alright. Test run. Yun. Maaraw na kasi. Ang siyaring araw. Ay sana naman yung makasakay. At maranasan. Hintay tayo ng 15 minutes. Run test. Ay, test run pala. For 15 minutes. Alright. Ayan. Mga naghihintay rin. Ayun. Pauwi na sana tayo. May ginala at sumilip si Haring Araw. Malaman. Okay na raw?
Online.
May sasakay na?
I don't know.
O tinan mo, online mo lang. Wala pa pala.
I didn't ask the thing kung anong oras. Pag 15 minutes nga daw.
Kala ko may sasakay na. Wala pa pala.
No, may binibenta na eh. You know, ino-open na.
Tinanggal na yung yung advisory. Tinanggal na yung close. Perfect. Si long hair.
Grabe, pati naman yung pagpapakilga. Pagpapakilga
Ayan, napupuno na ang pila. Tayo sa online naman kukuha at mura ng 20. $90 rin sa booth. Sa online is 70 something. Alright.
I don't know why they do it.
Woohoo! I got a ride! Yay! We got a ride! Woo! We made it!
May code ba?
It's my birthday. It's my birthday. Alright there.
Code eh, oh.
online ako bumili.
Ano, sa email mo, ibibigay yung code.
Wala nga, ito lang minano sa iyo.
Print the ticket. See the ticket, print.
Wala. Basta may bayad. Bayad naman.
Yan na, yan na. Yan na.
Oh, pipick upin ng sili.
Alright. Woohoo.
Oh, sorry.
Pag pala sa online ka bumili, pipila ka pa rin rito para kunin mo yung QR code mo. Alright. Wala, late pa rin.
What the heck? We just still gonna get it
Haba na pa naman ang pila.
give a QR code.
Malapit na tayo. Alright. Ano na. Woo! Susunod na.
No, you'll come here.
So I still have to wait in line?
Yeah, did you already wait in line?
No, I just bought it.
Yeah, so the 242 number. If you come around here, I'll get you in a couple.
It is what it is. Yeah. But when you go up to it, it's
Yeah, because it's two stops on the way and then non-stop on the way.
okay. It is what it is. We don't have a choice. It's not
You guys ready?
Alright. Susunod na tayo.
Yes, sir.
She's with me.
I have 47.
Yeah. Alright, I got the ticket. A for the adults. Tara!
Bigyan mo kaya Rod. Gusto mo?
Yeah. How about this?
Woo!
How about Tony?
This is it. All right. Let's go. Thank you. Alright. After na tayo, nakasakay rin. Alright. Tagal ang paghihintay. Thank you, boss.
Yeah.
Alright, habang umaandar pala, sumasakay. Alright. Woo!
Kaptik ko siya naiiwan.
Kala ko titigil, hindi pala, tuloy-tuloy.
Dapat BBG mo to.
Yan.
Para lang sa dam. Sa'yo na. Para lang sa
nagsara.
Para lang
Bakit talaga yun? Nahulog ka dyan.
Hey!
Hindi mabigat. Tignan mo nakaganon. Ang taba mo.
Hey! Up to go! Pupunta tayo sa
Babaliktad pala.
tuktok.
Dahil, paano ba to?
Ayan ang view. Oh.
Tony!
Hindi yan.
Dadi.
Ano sa baba?
Ouch! Oh, that's super high! In the middle of the beast! You're not gonna fall, you're not gonna cut that line. Don't look at the line, that's super thick, like big boys.
Ano na mga... May kapihan pala sa taas eh.
Tao, tell us about your on the mountain.
The...
Instruction and warnings. May stop, operate in reverse and at any time. Do not rock the gondola cabin. Do
Yeah.
not throw rock on object. The gondola cabin. Ooh, don't throw. He said. Don't rock.
Share.
Don't swing it.
Huwag mo iswing dadi. Ang bigat mo pa.
Hindi, pag naro sa mga poste, may nagwe-wave. Gawa ng mga roller.
Hindi, naka-stop naman siya. Hindi, naka-lock siya. Tingnan mo. Hindi naman talagang yung cable ang gumagana. Hindi, di ba?
Hindi nga, yung sa cable.
Ito na, you're scared. Oh my God.
We're still going up, but we're still on the bottom though.
Yeah.
We're in probably 100 feet. 100 feet from the ground, guys. Oh, don't rock the boat. Don't rock the boat.
Yeah. Yan.
I wanna sit over there. Tony, move on the other side. You don't wanna move?
Ayaw doon.
I'll move.
Ayaw na kayo gumalaw eh.
You move over there, madam.
Bakit?
I'll move over here. It's hard to see over here. Yes, I can see over here. I can see clear now when the rain is gone. Layo pa natin. Doon pa tayo sa pinakatuktok. Zoom natin para
Nasaan?
makakita ninyo ha. Yan ang
Paano
aakit.
dito?
Ayan ang aakitin natin ha. Nandito pa lang tayo.
Nasa... Simula lang tayo sumakay. Nasa 4 minutes pa lang tayong nasa taas.
Mahal ho dito, mahal. $70 isa.
Online mura.
Where's the bear? The bear not here. Let me find the bear over here.
Happy birthday to me!
Dati alam mo nakatagilid. Ang tabang din naman sa gitna ka.
Yeah, right there.
You can't break that cable. That cable is like super thick, like 1/4, 1 1/4. Diba? Kaya yung mga cable na, no, umiikot lang siya. Oh.
Kaya wala mo nakasali eh. Hindi na tayong tinrayan eh.
Jeez. Okay, guys, we're going up now.
Narito pa rin tayo sa ano. Medyo patag ba pero paangat na.
Yeah, this one.
Yan, pagkatapos ito.
This one is going up now, guys. Hold for your breath and say cheese.
Yan, pagkatapos.
Yeah, let's go. That's what I like. The
Paangat na yan.
I like when it bouncy.
Dati bang...
Bounce around, bounce around. Oh, you can go down on the top too.
Pwede nga.
Dalawa dapat pala yung stop niya, kaya nasarado yung isa.
Yeah,
Yun yung may mga activity eh.
Yeah. Ron
Alright,
tayo,
guys, he's having a hard time to climb up now.
ron tayo sa may kapihan.
This is the uphill. No, hindi tayo pwede maglakad. Hindi na pwede maglakad.
Pwede bumaba.
No, you
Pwede.
can walk around, he said.
Pwede.
You can?
Pwede.
Doon ako nang stop.
Sa unang stop. Yun yung kapihan, no? Ay, kapihan. Yun pala yung lake. Okay, tara pala rito yung lake. Pwede ba yun? Ayun, no?
No. Alright, let's go on the other side.
Ay, maganda ito naman sa likod mo.
Okay, it's going.
Hello.
This is the highest
Wow.
highest place on the mountain now. We're in the high place
That's the
now.
lake. Ito naman tayo mag-focus. Pasalong mo na. Ay, kanina pa pala sumalang mo.
Ooh. Look at the bottom.
Ilang minutes na? 6 minutes. 7 minutes.
Kung patayin, 40
Hindi nga,
minutes.
ito diretso. Bet pa yan.
With this one pole, you're gonna hit the rock right away hard. Like, oh, don't worry guys, we're just gonna bounce. This one is stop. Oh, it's super soft. It's gonna crack right away, guys.
Mauna ka.
Easy. Easy cracking. This one is only a fiberglass, or it's not even a fiberglass, it's a plastic, guys. Dapat safety pa rin dapat to, di ba? Dapat yung it should be
Ano yan, hindi double ano yan.
No, it's too skinny. It's too, it should be kaya nila pinalta ng maliit to, manipis. Dahil pag kinalagay na ng makapal, bibigat. Plastic lang to eh. Oh. Anybody here?
Yan po si Engineer Principal.
Nagbida-bida.
This one is look at the bottom of that gondola king. The gondola is a metal, so when it bounces,
Gondola.
Gondola.
Glandola.
So when it bounces on the rock,
Glandola.
when it bounces on the rock, you won't die. Don't worry, guys. We're super safe over here. Look at that. Look at that. We're super high. Whoa! I like it. Look at you guys. Look.
Oo, naman kasama
scared. Shout out Vincent!
Oh.
Juliana!
Oh, it's super high.
Shout out Budoy! Buday!
Look, it's high.
We're here Gondola, Lake Tahoe.
We're in the mountain, guys.
Like that.
Woo! Woo! I like to swing this one, but 8 person. Look at that. Oh, we can 8% can.
Dalawa na siya eh.
8% can fit on this one.
Dalawa na siya.
1,400 pounds can accumulate
200
this one.
na siya.
But this one bear over here.
Dalawang tao na yan.
The birthday boy is one bear. He's like a baby bear. So he's a hermit.
Dalawang tao na siya.
Wala akong bear, ano? Takot sila dito, ano?
Sa English.
Takot sila sa Grandolo.
Anta na tayo, okay?
Alright.
You need to breathe.
Wow, look at that. Going
Daddy?
Look at uphill. Look. You can look at on the bar. Tingnan mo sa patalikod. Mas maganda, oh. Alright, guys. Nobody on the other side.
Alternate eh. Yun ang
Oh.
alternate. Kasi yung mga sasakay pababa.
I'll wait for the guys who's going home. You guys done?
Wala pang bababa dyan. Hindi pa nakaakyat.
May lock yung isa. Oh.
Mga hindi pwede sumakay doon.
Oh, this one. Ano, meron silang sinasakasak dito.
Wow! Amazing!
Yeah, they look good. Look.
Antoinette, why are you? Whose daughter are you? Parang nung bata ko, hindi ako takot sa ganyan.
Look at that, guys. It's too high.
10 minutes.
It's amazing. What a...
Galing roll sa baba. Hanggang ngayon, narito pa tayo, pataas.
Wow, you can see the Lake Tahoe, see?
This is the whole Lake Tahoe, guys. Whoa!
Daddy!
Don't move around!
Daddy! Huwag kang umuga!
Whoa, look at that, guys. We're super high. Ooh.
Are you okay?
Salt Lake Tower.
I don't know, I like blacked out.
How stutter are you?
You need to stand up, man. JW on your back. It's not too high. It's just. Oh, we're going back now. This. Trying to wrap it up. We're in a flat ground.
It's nice, Antoinette. You did not sing.
Oh yes, we're in the hot.
Picture, Antoinette.
I'm gonna take a picture over there. Right there.
Oh, doon yung stop.
Ah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can take a
Ayun,
picture
oh,
over there.
picture
Yeah,
doon.
that one. Tapos may kapihan daw dyan eh.
Saan ba baba? Ah, dito.
Diyan.
Ayun.
Ayun ang
Oh,
kapihan.
bigat mo, Daddy. Ayun yung sarado naman.
Whoa!
Bangkar pa. Mas uuwi pa pala ito.
Narito na tayo sa observation deck. We're on top of the mountain, guys.
Oh, yan na.
Hello, come check out the deck, guys.
Alright, thank you, boss.
Thank you,
Walk
thank
straight
you.
ahead.
What's your step, guys?
Alright, thank you. Whoa. That's fans. Hello, boss.
What was that?
Coffee shop?
There's a coffee shop over here?
No.
No. Coffee shop. There's that.
Oh, I told you. Ah, okay. There. Ayan. Nakakatakot. Paikot pala. Ito yung ano, pagbaba mo sa observation deck. Yan ang mapa. Paikot lang. Tago mo. Pil na Freddy ba? Send picture to Basil, man.
Top of Lake Tahoe, Salt Lake Tahoe. Yes.
10,776 feet
Where are we?
elevation,
10,700.
20 miles.
Wow. Okay.
Oh. As a picture perfect. Ano?
Picture ata doon.
Put it over Jeremy's arm where and cover his.
There you go.
Should've.
Pipicture it. That's it. Happy birthday to me, 20,000 feet. From sa bulwagan ng Lake Tahoe. Cape Rock, 8,000 miles. Oh, 8,000, 8 miles.
You see the
It's on Cape Rock. That's what we went through.
yeah, there's cave. You see it right
Yeah.
there, but you see that bay, not this bay, but that second bay. That's where we ate dinner or lunch. We docked the boat.
Ano, makikita rito.
La agarro de aquí, era de atrás.
Oh, ito. Ito pala tayo naligo kahapon. Nevada Beach. Ayan. 4 miles. ang 4 miles ang taas.
There's a shadow.
Yeah, the shadows are coming. That's even worse, man.
Right. I'll get burgers.
Like, just the back one or something.
Wow, pil na pil. Kailangan namnamin. 70 bucks ang isa.
Ito yung binabayaran dito.
Yan ang
Antoinette! You take a picture.
yan ang kabuuan. Sinusulit ni Pretty Boy. Oh.
The shallowest and deepest spot.
May bato sa gitna.
No, it's
Paikot yan. May tinrahan rito sa taas.
$4.99. Papa, say to mo to. For the kape, $4.99. He dropped this one over here. That's it.
Hi there. Hi. Can I pour water? Pour water?
Where do you find a coffee shop for 20,000 feet, 10,000 feet?
Ng kape yan. Oh.
Where do you find that? It's a trivia, guys. Trivia. Where do you find the coffee shop for 10,000 feet?
Ito sa kailangan mo na magbayar ng 70 bucks
You're gonna pay $79 to get this one. How much?
bago ka makabili ng kape rito.
10,000 feet water.
Kape akin.
Oh, hi. Can you get a coffee? How much coffee?
Excuse me?
Coffee.
Coffee?
Yeah, black coffee.
We don't have coffee today.
Oh.
Man. No coffee.
Gatorade.
Gatorade.
What color?
Blue.
Nah, I don't need anything.
Oh.
A blue Gatorade?
Yes, ma'am. Alright. Ay, sa... okay, dito. Hindi, paikot ito eh. Dito tayo. Pababa na tayo. Paikot. Paikot, tayo no?
Banyo kasi dyan eh.
Oh.
Sailboat siya.
Alright, pababa na tayo. At 4 na oras pa biyahe. Pauwi. Bullshit. Alright. Yun. Ayan. Oh, pwede mo pasal oh. Ito pa yung... ito yung saradong isa, ano?
Sabi ko sa'yo, walang ikutan dito. Ang kulit mo.
Wala ba?
Ito banyo ito eh.
Oh, banyo na muna tayo.
Banyo kayo, nagbanyo na ako dyan.
Oh,
And here.
banyo muna tayo. Pinakamataas na banyong mararanasan namin.